Welcome back to infyGyan friends. In this video, we'll be solving one very interesting question from algebra. So we'll assume this bracket equal to x first. So we are looking for x power 12. Now I will write x is square root 5 plus 1 over 2. Now I can write 1 over x value. This will be equal to 2 over square root 5 plus 1. Now I will rationalize our denominator. So I need to multiply in the numerator and denominator with square root 5 minus 1. Now we have a plus b times a minus b form in the denominator. So we can apply difference of two squares formula. So I can write 1 over x will be equal to 2 square root 5 minus 1 over square root 5 whole square minus 1 whole square. This will be equal to 2 times square root 5 minus 1 over root 5 square. This will be 5. 1 square will be 1. We can write equal to 2 square root 5 minus 1 over 4. So we can cancel 2 and 4 by writing 2 over there. So 1 over x value will come out root 5 minus 1 over 2. Let's write here 1 over x will be square root 5 minus 1 over 2. Now we will add these two equations. So x plus 1 over x will be equal to square root 5 plus 1 plus square root 5 minus 1 over 2. So plus and minus 1 will be over. I can write 2 square root 5 over 2. So 2 and 2 will be over. I will get x plus 1 over x equal to square root 5. I can write x plus 1 over x equal to square root 5. Let's consider squaring both sides. Power 2 and power 2. So square root and power 2 will be cancelled out. In LHS, we can apply a plus b whole square formula. So we'll be writing x square plus 1 over x square plus 2 times x times 1 over x equal to 5. Now x and x will be cancelled out. So we will get x square plus 1 over x square will be equal to 5 minus 2 will be equal to 3. I will write here x square plus 1 over x square equal to 3. Now let us consider cubing both sides. To get the value of x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6. So I can write x square whole cube a cube plus 1 over x square whole cube b cube plus 3 times x square times 1 over x square times in the bracket x square plus 1 over x square. 3 cube is 27. Now we can cancel x square with x square. And x square plus 1 over x square is 3. I will use property from exponents a power b whole power c. This is equal to a power b times c. So here I will be writing x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6 plus 3 times 3, 9 equal to 27. Or we can write x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6 will be equal to 27 minus 9 equal to 18. Let us say this is our equation number 1. So I can write here x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6 equal to 18, equation 1. Now I'll write x value again. It is square root 5 plus 1 over 2. Now I will find out x square. This will be equal to square root 5 plus 1 whole square over 2 square, which will give us square root 5 whole square 5, 1 whole square 1, plus 2 times square root 5 times 1. So 2 square root 5 over 4. So x square will be equal to 6 plus 2 square root 5 over 4. Now we can take 2 common from the numerator. So 3 plus square root 5 over 4. Now we can cancel 4 and 2. So denominator will be 2. So I can write x square will be equal to 3 plus square root 5 over 2. Now I will calculate 1 over x square. So this will be equal to 2 over 3 plus square root 5. Again we can rationalize our denominator. So I can multiply here with 3 minus root 5. So in the numerator 3 minus root 5. Now I can write equal to 2 times 3 minus root 5 over 3 square minus root 5 square. 9 minus 5. So 4. Now 2 and 4 will be over. Denominator will be 2. So I can write 1 over x square will be equal to 3 minus root 5 over 2. Now I will subtract 1 over x square from x square. So I can write x square minus 1 over x square. This will be equal to 3 plus square root 5 over 2 minus 3 minus square root 5 over 2. So we can write 3 plus square root 5 minus 3 plus square root 5 over 2. Plus 3 minus 3 will be over. We can write 2 square root 5 over 2, which will be equal to square root 5. Once we will cancel 2 from numerator and denominator. So I can write x square minus 1 over x square equal to square root 5. Now I will consider cubing once again to get the value of x power 6 minus 1 over x power 6. So a minus b whole cube we will apply in LHS. I can write x power 6 minus 1 over x power 6 minus 3 times x square times 1 over x square. Then in the bracket x square minus 1 over x square, and root 5 cube will be 5 square root 5. Now x square and x square will be over. Now here we have 3 only, and this bracket is square root 5. So I can write x power 6 minus 1 over x power 6 minus 3 square root 5 equal to 5 square root 5. Or we can write x power 6 minus 1 over x power 6 will be equal to 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 square root 5. Now this equation I will call equation 2. Let me write here x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6. This was equation 1 equal to 18. X power 6 minus 1 over x power 6. This was equation number 2, 8 root 5. Now we will add both the equations. So 1 over 6 and minus 1 over x power 6 will be cancelled out. I can write 2 times x power 6 and RHS will be 18 plus 8 is square root 5. Divide both sides by 2. So I can write here over 2. So x power 6 will become 9 plus 4 is square root 5. Now I will consider squaring for the very last time to get our answer. Now LHS will become x power 6 times 2, so x power 12. RHS will be 9 square plus 4 square root 5 whole square plus 2 times 9 times 4 square root 5. So 9 square is 81. 4 square is 16, root 5 square is 5, 16 times 5, 80 plus 72 square root 5. So we will get our final answer x power 12 will be equal to 161 plus 72 square root 5. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Till next video, bye bye and take care of yourself.